Yo, it's Ryan, the Smart Web Tutor. How's it going? You're back again, right? And I'm back. I'm back for another video, another day, right? Slowly moving forward, building the channel, creating content, bringing you training videos about different subject topics in the internet marketing world, right? We got all these different topics. We got all these different things that we can do online, and we have to make choices. We have to simplify. We have to make sure that we're choosing beneficial tactics for our plan, right? Now, some people are working on their business and using social platforms to do their business online, right? And that's why I wanted to come to you today and talk to you about social stories, right? The stories. We're all about the stories. Everybody's got a story, right? Posting these little short stories, they're little clips. You got them on Facebook, you got them on Instagram, you got little stories here, you got a story there. Creating all these stories. People don't have enough time to watch a long video. Maybe I should make these videos shorter, right? I like to make a decent video that's got some girth in it because I like to put some content in there, talk to you a little bit longer. But if you have some attention deficit, maybe you should come back to my video and watch it like 100 times in mini chunks. Hopefully get to the end. But the stories, yes, the social stories, this is what's all about, right? We're making these quick little fun videos or whatever it may be. You got your TikToks, you got your little things, the little stories, right? You can make a little segment and go through it. People can watch your little stories in bite-sized chunks. It's the new craze. All the places are doing it now. They're rewarding you for creating more content, being active, that you have something to share, right? That's what we're on the social platforms for, is to share. So we're sharing pictures, we're sharing our stories, we're sharing little videos, we're sharing longer videos, we're doing lives, we're connecting with friends and family, we're connecting with business associates, we're in groups, we're doing the things, we got our business pages. So we got all these different things on the social media platforms. We got all these things that we can do, right? And one of them is producing these short stories. You got your little sizzle reel, right? You got your promos, different things like that. And one of the products I wanted to bring to you today is called Social Story Secrets. It's all about the secrets, right? We're not supposed to tell you, but when you get over there, you're going to be able to see that they're giving you this easy, basic course just so you can go through, get yourself acquainted with doing social stories. Basic training, right? We don't want to confuse you, get you too mixed up. That's why I want to bring you a simple plan so that you can get out there and start producing these stories for yourself. Keep repeating, get good at it. With the training, you get in there, you do the basics. Don't get yourself so riled up, learning too many things. If you want to do something like this on social, doing stories, easy ways to get yourself in front of your audience, have them see that you're active, that you're doing things, giving them little hints about your products here and there, then a general course like this will be perfect for you. If you get like serious about it and you want to learn more, I got more training about stuff like this and other tips about social. But right now we're just interested in showing you this page about social story secrets. So let's get on over there. I'll show you the page. And then you can go over there, take a look for yourself, see all the details, and see if it's something that will work for you. So let's get on over there and I'll show you the page. All right, see you there. All right, here we are. The social story secrets. We're not trying to let anybody know about these, right? It's the secret. We don't want anybody to know. Except you, right? We're coming here, you're checking this out so that you can get this simple training, easy training, right? Doesn't take you long. Go through it, a day or two. Absorb the content. No stress. Okay, we don't want any stress. We want to simplify. We want you to get clear on your message. We want you to Utilize simple tactics like this in your marketing online so that you can get further on, get people to see your product offers, get people to notice you online. Attraction, right? We want them to be attracted to your offers, attracted to you, want to come to you and ask you, hey, what's that you're doing there? I see that you're always posting these things. It's really cool. Can you show me how to do that? Or what's that you're offering? Do you have more information on that? Having people come to you is the key. Isn't that nice when somebody actually comes to you and asks you for help rather than you having to go out there and scrounge around and ask people left and right, hey, you want some of my stuff? No, man. All right. This way people are coming to you because they have a need and they want it and they know that you have it, right? So Social Story Secrets is going to help you get there by putting you out there, doing little simple stories and being in that feed, right? People just going through the feed, checking things out real quick, seeing that you're there, see a little product offer or a promo or just a flower or whatever you got posting. All right? So Facebook Story Secrets to get prospects begging to buy. Dazzling FB Story Formula plus demo. Get perfect prospects to start the conversation and ask you about your products and opportunity. How about that? Having them come to you, right? Just like I said, that's the way to do it. We don't want to go out there scouring the web looking for prospects. Okay? I had enough of that. Back in the day, it was bugging your family and friends. Everybody that you know, right? Come to my thing. Do my thing. Use my thing. Now, people will know that you have the thing, and they'll come to you instead. The Social Story Secrets course includes how to use FB Stories to effectively promote your products and get prospects reaching out to you. How to use FB Stories to promote your opportunity so they want more info without being spammy. Prepare to be dazzled as we create sexy FB Stories on a smartphone to get leads for your business. This digital course will help you create FB Stories, including polls, crazy curiosity effects, and more, that magically get prospects wanting to learn more about your products and opportunity without paid ads or even a website. Get the course, right? Just get the course. It's easy. $7. $7, regularly $27. Come on, man, I'm making it easy for you. Social Story Secrets, simple training that you can use and utilize quickly to get you steam, get the ball rolling for you online on your Facebook. I got other social media trainings as well to help you with your profile, help you with different things like that. But right now we're focused on the stories. Stories are the craze. They're going on all the different platforms. All the platforms are encouraging people to create little stories. Simple messages that people can absorb in seconds rather than having to go through long trainings. I like the long trainings myself, and that's why I'm creating product offer videos and trainings like this so that you can absorb more content. You don't have to get the product, right? I'm trying to help you understand the different concepts, and then you can make a decision for yourself. If $7 is too much, then maybe we got to think about something else for you, right? What are you going to do in order to learn and create something for yourself and for your future, right? Using tactics like this will help you get there. $7 for a limited time, right? Warning, the Social Story Secrets course is the simple step-by-step process to leverage FB Stories to get red-hot prospects begging you for more information about your products and opportunity. This is a serious problem and we feel your pain. You spent countless hours on Facebook trying to grow your business. You spent weeks of your time in dead-end conversations that go nowhere. You've invested in all the social media gurus, and you've done everything you can to find something that will answer the one question that is haunting your dreams. Why is social media not producing the results I want with my home business? Why not? All this effort. Let's simplify the process and get you a process that helps you move forward, right? Using tactics that help you in your efforts. Not trying to pick apart and do all the different things. Using proven techniques to get you further on. My friend, it's not your fault. Today is a perfect day for your social media and FB stories breakthrough. How much precious time are you wasting on social media with prospects who have zero intention of joining your opportunity or your business? This is the time you will never get back. Are you finally ready to leverage Facebook to get results in your home business? Come on, man. Facebook is the deal, right? This is like the main place. We got a lot of people on Facebook. There's a lot of eyes on your offers. As long as you're engaging with people, then the algorithm's going to show your content to them because you're putting out good stuff, and they understand that what you're offering in your content is something that other people may want to look at. Okay? So, Social Story Secrets. Just get the course. What you'll learn inside this Social Story Secrets course. How to leverage FB stories to get the conversation going with genuinely interested and motivated prospects who want to learn more. Right? Them coming to you, asking you, hey, what is that? That's interesting. I'd like to know more. Sometimes that may sound like a little bit easier than it sounds, but some people will actually ask. Be interested in what's that, that new thing you got. You ever been driving down the road and seen like some sign up there that said, coming soon? Some new restaurant or something like that, and you just so happen to pass it several times and you're getting more curious about it. And then eventually the place opens and you're just like, maybe I'll go in there and check it out. You go in, have a meal or whatever, go in and buy some product. And you're like, wow, that's a pretty good place. Glad I went in. They encourage you, maybe give you an incentive to bring some other people in, give you a discount. Well, people are seeing your offers and your different things or your videos on social media, right? And they're coming past your things over and over again. They're seeing you, putting out the content, and eventually they may be interested in actually just kind of say, okay, you know what? Maybe it's time I go in. Maybe it's time I ask. So, how to use Facebook stories to create your own reality show to build the know, like, and trust factor, even if you're new or think nobody's watching. How to be promotional in your FB stories to get eyeballs on your products and opportunity. And the one trick to make sure your stories get seen. We just want them to get seen, right? Who's this course for? If you want to get targeted prospects asking you about your products and opportunity via simple FB stories. If you're tired of spending an absurd amount of hours on social and in FB Messenger with nothing to show for it. If you want to get lead sales signups via social and you want to create reliability and gain influence. If you feel there is something missing with your social media strategy because nothing is making you money. If you want to get a lot more engagement and conversations around your specific business via FB stories. If any of the above apply, click here to get the course. Just get the course, $7. Just follow the framework for success. Step 1, buy the Story Secrets course. Includes FB story examples plus critiques. Step 2, get instant access and follow the fast and easy 54-minute tutorial. Step 3, get prospects to reach out and ask you about your products and opportunity. How about that? Simple training, start to implement, get people to ask you for your stuff, right? That's it. Let's do it. The Social Story Secrets course, $7. Imagine if you can get perfect prospects engaging all day long, plus actively and semi-aggressively promote your products and opportunity, and they would love you for it. Yes, this is possible with FB Stories. If you want one of the hottest ways to have your dream clients reaching out, asking you about your business, we'll give you the FB Story secrets on the next page. Get the course. Let's do it. Let's do a simple training here, right? It's an easy course. Go through it in a day. Maybe spend a weekend. Really kind of study it. Go through Facebook and start setting up your own stories. If you've been working on stories already, then use a course like this to refresh yourself, to get some advanced tactics about really how to use it and spin a tale, right? Build the story. With Social Story Secrets, you can do it. All right? My name's Ryan. I'm the Smart Web Tutor. If you like this video, hit the like. Like it, right? Put the like. Subscribe to the channel so when I release new videos that you're getting the updates, right? We don't want you to miss out. I'm creating these videos so I can help you get out of the info overload, the shiny object syndrome, right? We don't want you getting too confused. Okay, we got all these different products that we have available. You don't need all of them. You just need some that are going to get you where you want to go, right? You got the basic tools, and then you're going to use basic training for the things that you really need to do online. Choose the different things you want to do. If you want to be on social and you want to do little videos, and you've done that, maybe you're on Instagram or different things like that, TikTok. Now with Facebook too, with the stories, use these tactics in the same way on Facebook, Instagram, different things like that. You can create your tales. So let's keep it simple. $7 today. Let's do it. All right. So again, I appreciate you being here. Thanks for the support. We'll see you in the next video. Bye now.